Everything you see on a screen, this text, this image, this video, is ultimately the same, zeros and ones, pure binary. But let me tell you the truth that almost nobody tells you. Intelligence does not live down there, in the zeros and ones. It lives up here, in the meaning. And understanding that is the difference between an AI that guesses and one that truly thinks with you. I'm Tony Fraustro, and I'm going to show you how a real digital brain is built. Today, you talk to an AI and it starts from scratch. It doesn't remember your project, your blueprints, your calculations. It's a genius with amnesia. Every single time you have to explain everything all over again. But what if, instead, it had memory? A living memory. Your notes, your images, your formulas, all connected as a network of your knowledge. Not in someone else's cloud. Yours, private, on your own machine. Let's start with the basics, because here's the trick. When you write a word, the machine doesn't store letters. It encodes them. When you see a photo, the machine sees pixels, red, green, and blue. Until then, everything is binary, and everything is blind. Because binary only says, here is a red pixel. It doesn't say what the image is. That's why we need context. I call it reverse engineering. Not staying in the zeros and ones, but rising up to reconstruct the meaning. That this photo is a house, a foundation plan, a face. Those aren't bits anymore. That's context, and context is what truly feeds intelligence. And what about audio? Here's the beauty of it. An AI doesn't hear like you do. It uses tools to bridge the gap. It uses a speech recognition model, like Whisper, to transcribe that audio into text. By turning it into text, it can finally read it and connect it. I'll confess something, this very project already did it. The audio where I explained this whole idea, an AI transcribed it. It's not theory, it's already happening. Right here, right now. With video, it's the same magic, but multiplied. A video is just thousands of images running one after another. The system decomposes it frame by frame, reading every picture. What's there, who appears, what's happening in the scene. It adds the transcribed audio, and suddenly, the AI doesn't see a file. It understands a story, a world in motion. Now, where does all that knowledge live? This is where Obsidian comes in. It's one of the most powerful semantic tools available. It doesn't just store separate notes. It connects them, it links them, it builds a graph of your thinking. And with Canvas, you throw everything in. Images, videos, text, web links. It's a living map of your knowledge. That is the heart of the digital brain. But a brain needs arms. This is where everything connects. Obsidian links to connectors, AP is, and automations in N8N. You pull in your tools, math engines like Wolfram, scientific tools for physics and chemistry, all feeding the model. The LLM stops guessing. It reasons with the full context of your world. Only what matters is brought in, saving tokens and time. So, who is this for? First, to accelerate real science, research, and engineering, where remembering every calculation changes the game. And second, for you, for anyone. So when you ask your AI something, it gives you a higher quality answer because it knows your context. I'll be honest with you, is this superintelligence yet? No. The true frontier is further, for AI to reason internally before speaking, to connect with a world model, to understand how reality works. That's what we're aiming for. AGI is a horizon, not a sales pitch. But what is real today is this. Any creator can have their own digital brain, private, multimodal, with a memory that grows. Intelligence isn't born in the basement of bits, it's built upwards, layer by layer. This is what we build at JoyRide AI Lab. The future is designed. JoyRide AI Lab by Tony Fraustro. Science and technology told with the truth. If this vision moves you, follow me. This is just the beginning.